In this video, we'll build a premium filter bottom sheet in Jetpack Compose with filters, sorting, reset, and apply actions. Open Canva. Create design 120 x 120 px. Search filter in elements. Add filter lines. Apply color. Search check badge in elements. Change color. Add a circular outline. Apply the matching theme color. Adjust the alignment. Export as PNG and add it to Android Studio. Open Android Studio. Create filter bottom sheet demo with filter button. Add show filter sheet for sheet visibility. Create filter bottom sheet with callbacks. Add title, subtitle, and close button. Add the filter illustration. Add selectable filter chips. Add a price range slider. Add sorting radio options. Add a reset action. Add apply filters button. Test all filter and sheet actions. Logical tips. And that's our premium filter bottom sheet, complete with filters, sorting, reset, and apply functionality in one reusable component.